your name?
Ara.
Ara, how old are you?
I'm 3 years.
Wow, Ara is 3 years old. In today's video, we are going to be teaching parents how to teach the letter sound in 1 minute a day using the flashcard. Yes, 1 minute is achievable. You know, children have short concentration span, so you don't want to bore them, but you can achieve them knowing their letter sound by reinforcing it just 1 minute a day. So I'm going to be working with my toddler today, Ara. We're going to be showing you what we've been doing. When your child is able to identify their letter sound independently, it makes it easy for your child to read. So I'm going to be sharing some books that we've been reading. Yeah, we bought Scholastic book, Bob books. This is set 1 and this is also set 2. This is not a promo, but it's just what I've been using and it's been really helpful for Ara. And now I also want to share a book that is written by my Nigerian sister. It's very, very good. Her name is Ellen Iro and the name of the book is The 3-Letter Words. It's the 3-letter word stories actually. So here in this book, the child gets to read very easy sentence, like about 3-letter word sentences, and they're able to answer some questions, so just to know if your child is actually following while reading. Let's get started. To do this activity, you need a pointer or you need a ruler, just to make sure that your child is pointing to the sound and they are focused on what they are doing. That's the whole essence. Okay, Ara, have this. Now you're gonna say this after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job. A. B. K. D. E. G. I. J. K. O. Good. W. X. Y. You did it! Good job. Give me a high five. Beautiful. You're going to look at this and tell me what sound is this? Good. What sound is this? Good. Big voice. What sound is this? Good. What sound is this? Good. What is this? Eh. Good. What sound is this? This. 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 Good. This. Good. This. Good. This. Good. This. Good job. This. Good. And this. Good. This sound. Good job. This sound. Good. This sound. Good job. This sound. Good. What sound is this? Good. What sound is this? Good job. What sound is this? Good job. And this is? You're almost done. This is? Good job. This is? You did so well. So this is a very easy way to get a child to learn the letter sound, and you can do this 1 minute a day. So in our next video, we're going to be showing you some activities that you can do with the letter sound. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, give your thoughts in the comment section. Let's hear your thoughts about this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.